So you watched my cancer insurance video and you are wondering, do I actually need this? Should I buy it? Today I am going to help you answer that question by walking through a simple decision framework. By the end of this video, you will know whether cancer insurance makes sense for your situation. Question 1. Do you have significant savings set aside for emergencies? If you have $100,000 or more in liquid savings that you could tap if a crisis happened, cancer insurance is less critical. Your savings are your self-insurance. But if you have less than $50,000 in savings, or you are living paycheck to paycheck, you cannot afford a $50,000 cancer crisis. Cancer insurance becomes critical protection. Question 2. Do you have dependents who rely on your income? Are you supporting children, a spouse, aging parents? If you are the primary wage earner and you become unable to work during cancer treatment, your family faces immediate financial crisis. Cancer insurance protects them. If you are retired with no dependents and significant assets, cancer insurance is less urgent. You have your savings to draw from. Question 3. Does cancer run in your family? If your parents, grandparents, or siblings have had cancer, you have higher statistical risk. If you have BRCA genes or other genetic risk factors, your cancer probability is elevated. Higher risk means cancer insurance becomes more important. If you have zero family history of cancer, your risk is lower, though anyone can get cancer at any time. Question 4. Can you comfortably afford the monthly premium? Cancer insurance costs $10 to $50 monthly depending on your age. For most people, that is affordable. But if you are already struggling financially, adding another monthly bill may not make sense right now. You need to be able to keep the policy long term. If you buy it and cancel after 6 months, it does not help you. Only buy cancer insurance if you can afford to keep it. Question 5. Imagine you are diagnosed with cancer today. Walk through the scenario. Could your family survive financially while you get treatment? Could you pay your mortgage during chemotherapy if you cannot work? Could you pay for travel to a specialized cancer center? Could you pay for your children's expenses while you recover? If the answer to any of these is no, cancer insurance should be a priority. Let me give you 3 situations where cancer insurance absolutely makes sense. Situation 1. Mike is 48, works in construction, has 3 children in school, and a mortgage. He has $15,000 in savings. His wife stays home with the youngest. If Mike gets cancer and cannot work for 6 months, his family faces financial disaster. Cancer insurance at $30 monthly is essential protection for his family. Situation 2. Jennifer is 55, self-employed, has no employees depending on her. She has significant retirement savings. She is healthy with no family cancer history. Cancer insurance is less critical for her situation. Situation 3. Robert is 62, recently retired, has good pension income, has $700,000 invested. He has no dependents. Cancer insurance is not a priority for him. His assets protect him. At the core, this comes down to one question. Is the peace of mind worth the monthly cost? If you have dependents or limited savings and you know cancer would devastate your family financially, cancer insurance is worth it. The monthly premium is small compared to the protection it provides, but if you have substantial assets or no dependents, the monthly premium may not be worth it. Only you can answer this question for your situation. Here are situations where you should definitely call me for a free consultation to discuss cancer insurance. 1. You have dependents relying on your income. 2. You have less than $100,000 in savings. 3. Cancer runs in your family. 4. You are the primary wage earner. 5. You cannot afford a $50,000 financial crisis. 6. You want to protect your family and peace of mind matters to you. If any of these describe you, schedule a free consultation and we can talk through your specific situation. When you call me for a free consultation, I will ask you about your situation, your age, your health, your family structure, your savings, your concerns. Based on that, I will tell you honestly whether cancer insurance makes sense for you. If it does, I will show you different benefit options and premiums. If it does not, I will tell you that too. My job is to give you honest advice, not to sell you something you do not need. If you watched my first cancer insurance video and this video and you are thinking, yes, I should probably have this protection, call or text me at 956-455-1313. Let us have a free conversation about your situation and whether cancer insurance makes sense for you. No pressure, no sales pitch, just honest advice. And if this video was helpful, subscribe and hit the bell for more protection planning videos. I post content every week on insurance, annuities, Medicare, and retirement planning in English and in Spanish for Texas families. Share this video with someone who is wondering if they need cancer insurance. In the next video, I am going to show you hospital indemnity insurance, another critical gap most people do not know about. I am Antonio Espino with Espino Insurance Group, and I will see you in the next video.